Hello, Assalamualaikum. So I will demonstrate how to do EFA. So we go to the analyze, dimension reduction factor. So just select all the items that we want to do EFA. In my case, OID up to self-efficacy. Go to descriptive, KMO, anti-image, continue, extraction. So it's up to you whether you want to use the PCA or principal axis factor. So I'm going to use the principal component. So fixed number of factors. So I use based on the 5 factors because I have the 5 variables. The maximum iteration for conversion 25, but you can go maximum to 100. Just go to the sometimes you want to click script plot is okay, but I do not want to select the script plot. Just go to continue, rotation, varimax. So if you use the principal axis factor PFS, we will use Promax. For the PCA, we use the varimax. Okay, so continue, option, replace with mean, sort by size, surprise. So absolute value, so I take 0.5. that means any value that go below 0.5 will be isolated from the item will be automatically deleted. Okay, so continue, then click OK. So it should the KMO. The KMO is 0.630. So the cutting point for KMO is 0.5. The higher KMO is better. Okay, and then the Butler test is significant. So it is show that all of these items, okay, all of these items are good for the sample size. So for the anti-image, okay, for the anti-image correlation, we find any anti-image value less than 5. So okay, this is 0.475. So if there is any less than 5, okay, so this is 0.340, 0.320. Okay, we delete the smallest item first. Okay, total variable explain. So this is 5. If based on the eigen value, we will use the eigen value any 1. So we have the 15 component, but since we direct selected for the 5 based on the theory, so it show you only for the 5. And then at this we go to the rotated component matrix. So landing insertion pressure, this is for OID, this is for self-efficacy. Okay, so we will take the value for the rotated component matrix. So in this case, some of the rotated component matrix for the factor loading for materialism, self-efficacy belong to the materialism, so such as SE10. SE10, it is some kind. This item could belong to the money management skill MMS and also belong to the SE. So at first, before we deleted this item, okay, so what we will do, we just delete any the anti-image that less than 0.5. The communalities, okay, the communalities also it's very important for us. We will delete the communalities below than 0.5. It's supposed to be like that, but before we delete any items based on the communalities or based on the factor loading, we look at the anti-image correlation and find any item that less 0.5. So we will delete it based on the smallest item first. So after we delete, we need to run it again. Okay, so in this case, I will delete that. Just now we have 0.3 something, right? 0.3. Okay, so I will delete it. I will print, copy, print,